Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, button handcrafts ideas. So let's start today's video. Take some more buttons and convince board. Arrange the buttons in the shapes of a heart, flower, or even a tree. Glue them carefully. These simple crafts will look amazing as wall art. It is a colorful, creative, and full of charm. Button jewelry. Use small buttons to make a bracelet or necklaces. Just thread them together with a string. Mix different colors and sizes for a fun look. Handmade button jewelry is always unique and stylish. Button picture frame. Take a plain photo frame, decorate it with colorful button all around the edges. Let's make the frame bright and cheerful. You can gift it to someone special with a lovely pictures inside. Button bookmark. Stick cute button on top of paper clip. Let's turn them into colorful bookmark. These are great for school books, diaries, or planners. Are very quick and useful crafts ideas. Button hammer. Decorate jars. Take an old glass jar and cover it with button using glue. You can use it as a pen holder, flower vase, or storage jar. This button jar adds a handmade touch to your room. Button cards. Use button of decoration. Decorate greeting cards. You can make button balloon, buttons, flowers, or even a button rainbow. These handmade cards look creative and personal. Friends, button keychains. Take a strong thread and some colorful buttons. Arrange them in small bunches and tie them with a key ring. A quick and fun way to make your own button keychains. Button hair clips. Glue button on clip. Plain hair clip. You can use one big button or many small buttons. Let's make cute and colorful stories for kids and even for yourself. Button management. Stick small management on the back of button. Place them on your fries or whiteboard. This button management look fun and also hold notes or pictures easily. Button lampshades. Decorate a plain lampshades with buttons all around. When you stitch on the lights, the color shines. It's give a cozy and creative touch to your room. Button cushion decoration ideas.